Welcome back. This is Panda-Frog, and today we're going to assemble and modify a little my second challenge lock. It's all again an ABS 7240. It's not this one, I'm just using this one for testing. I got one with some nice hearts on it, and I have to engrave my logo, which we will see later in the video. So let's see what I did. I already modified the pins because on the first one I showed you what I did. Now I'm just gonna show you the pins, how they are. Alright, let me zoom in here. Let me take this off so I need one of the small mats so I can show it better. Alright, so everything goes away here. Let's see what we got. Now I have to move the whole thing. Hopefully this works out. Alright, so now I'm gonna do that a different way. I can move the camera actually a little closer. Just give me a second, please. This is pretty okay, I guess. Alright, now we need some. Okay, so let's see what we got, what we did. So we have a driver pin here. Have some focus here, please. Or is it too close now? It's a little serrated, it's nothing special. Little serration on it. Then the key pin to it. Like a little bullet. We got the next key pin, also has a little cut in here. The driver pin, the spool, usually got some rivets here, and I cut off some material over here. So yeah. Then we got this little mushroomy pin made from a spool. Then a little odd looking driver pin, key pin. Some little more serrations and a little more T-pinny like. That one. The standard. This one a little strange looking. I just like cut it the half off, and this one I didn't modify, leave it like this, it's fine. And the very tiny bottom of this key pin. What else did I do on this lock? I modified also the core. I got a nice threading in it. Can see every core is threaded. So yeah, maybe we'll see how that works out. I don't know yet. Okay, now we have to put it together. I hope this works out fine. After that, we're gonna test it, and then I will prepare the body with the logo, and then we put all together, and then this lock is ready to send out. So let's see what we can do here. Alright, so where's my Bible and my core? Still works. It's a key. It's actually the key. It's a nice bidding on it. I like it, that bidding. I already engraved Panda-Frog 2 on this one. I have to clean it up. But yeah, we will do that. It looks fine. Alright, so this is pin number 1, and this is pin 1. Alright, so let's set pin 1. I got my follower here. Here's my tweezers. Tweezer, little whatever. I also have to record another video for a giveaway. I guess I'm gonna do this afterwards, and I guess the giveaway video. No, this is the first one. Sorry, the giveaway video will be out a lot earlier. Let's turn it around like this. A lot earlier than this video, because this video I'm gonna release when this gets over to the States, and I will give this log first to my friend Dusty. He's from Texas, I believe, and he sent me an American log 1100 for my blue belt, so yeah. And I really hope he will give this log into rotation, you know, so yeah. So I'm still working on this here. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get them in, because as you can see, the spring sticks out and it's a pain in the butt. And I have to like put it in and block it a little, and now it's gone again. If you don't do it, the spring will come out and will screw everything up. The spring is broken. I don't know. This is probably my last one with an Avis, because I only got 2 more cores and I broke a couple springs, so I don't have enough spare parts. I will keep my spare parts here in case somebody breaks one of my locks, some springs or whatever. No, I need to put a spring in, sorry. In case someone breaks something, then it can be sent back to me and I can fix it, hopefully. It would be an ideal world. Ideal world would be nothing gets broken, but hey, you never know. It's hard to see. And I have to announce my giveaway will start soon. It's probably already started when you see this video, or it's already over. I don't know. Maybe. Planning on starting it like the second week of July, which is in 2 weeks now. 2 weeks time. Did I put it? Yeah, I did put it in spring. And you will see how that goes. I got some special stuff planned for it, and I'm really looking forward to it. Doing my first. I didn't grab this one, did I? Needed different kind of tweezers for this one. Of course, it's smaller on the one side, and in German we call it verjüngt. If it's smaller, if it's getting smaller to one side, you call it verjüngt in German. Or you can call it a different ways you can call it, but verjüngt would be something you would use in like metal working, which I'm not good at, but alright. Okay, the last one. I'm getting better at this, I have to say, even with this more difficult one. And that's a normal, regular spool. Yeah, that's it. Look at this, then you know how to set it back together. Alright, so this one is set. That's fine. Let's set the core. And let's pray that it still works after my modifications. Then I'm very curious on if I still can pick it. That's a little wonky there, huh? Alright, next one. Almost done. My plan is to engrave the lock. So I make a little cut, then I come back with an engraved lock and show you the whole thing, and then I hopefully can pick it for you. I don't know yet, you will see. I don't know if this works, but let's hope the best. It still turns. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, let's get this C-clip on it. And with the C-clip you have to be a little careful. You have to get this little notch right in this holy thing. So yeah, can be sometimes a little difficult to hit it. Like right now I didn't. Get my needle nose pliers here. You have to move it a little over. You have to be careful that the pins don't fall out. That should be great now. Perfect. Okay, let's get this one in the core. Uh-oh. That doesn't look too good. This doesn't work. You won't see the video. So yeah, doesn't really matter to me. Let's hope for the best. It doesn't work. Alright, it turns. A little sticky. It does work.